What if a simple crochet butterfly could completely transform an empty wall? Welcome to a beautiful collection of handmade crochet butterfly wall decor ideas, where soft yarn, delicate stitches, and creative colors come together to create something truly special. Each butterfly is carefully designed with beautiful raised crochet details, elegant wing patterns, and a soft, silky yarn texture that makes every stitch feel warm and handmade. Look closely at the colors and textures. From rich, dramatic shades to soft, sophisticated combinations, every design has its own personality. These crochet butterflies are more than just decorations. They can bring a cozy, handmade feeling to a bedroom, living room, craft corner, balcony, entryway, or even a luxury-inspired home. You can create a single statement butterfly or arrange several different butterflies together to make an artistic wall display. And the best part? You don't need a complicated decoration to make a wall look beautiful. Sometimes, one carefully handmade piece is enough. So if you love crochet, yarn crafts, and unique home decor ideas, let these beautiful butterfly designs inspire your next creative project. Which color combination would you choose for your wall?